Name few common Python libraries which you use in your project. So, basically this is a very practical question. So, people just ask this question to understand whether you have really worked on Python and you have used it in your automation. If you have used, then what and all libraries you have used, right. So, here we have a few libraries, for example, Selenium. Selenium is a powerful library for automating web browsers. It is primarily used for testing web applications. Then PyTest. PyTest is a popular testing framework that makes it easy to write simple and scalable test cases. So, if you are automating something using Python, then PyTest is the best choice. Okay. Then Pandas. While Pandas is widely known as data manipulation, it is a fantastic automation tool for data processing and analysis tasks as well. It easily handles large data sets. Qdul library simplifies task scheduling and automation. Paramiko is a Python library for remote server automation and secure file transformation through SSH. Playwright, again a very powerful library for browser automation and testing. Request is a popular Python library for making HTTP request. It can be used to test APIs by sending HTTP request to API endpoints and validating the responses. Behave is a Python library for behavior driven development or BDD. NumPy is a fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. Coverage.py, it is a code coverage measurement tool for Python. Faker is a library for generating fake data such as names, address, emails and more. So, that is all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Here we have discussed 35 Python interview questions. I hope these questions are very helpful for you. If you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.